Think about the last time you tried to host a movie night and spent 40 minutes just trying to get the speakers to talk to the projector. It is a total mood killer. That is exactly the problem this manufacturer is trying to solve with their new all-in-one entertainment machine. It is a bold move to cram a high-definition projector, a smart TV interface, and a massive set of speakers into one portable box. This device is not trying to be the most sophisticated cinema gear on the planet. Instead, it wants to be the life of the party. You get a native high-definition picture that can scale up to a staggering 150 inches. That is enough to turn your entire living room wall into a theater. It runs on a smart system that includes all your favorite streaming apps right out of the box. No extra sticks or cables are required. The real standout feature is the audio. Most budget projectors have speakers that sound like they are underwater. This one packs 20 watts of sound. It is loud. It is punchy. It is specifically designed to handle a karaoke night where everyone is shouting over the music. While it is loud, do not expect it to replace a high-end soundbar with a dedicated subwoofer. You are getting clear audio and decent volume, but you will not feel that deep rattle in your chest during an action movie. It is important to remember that this is an entry-level device. It performs best in a dark room. If you have sunlight streaming in, the image will lose its punch. But once the lights go down, it really comes to life. It is a genuine product that delivers on its promises without overcomplicating things. For the price, you are getting a lot of utility. It is perfect for a backyard movie night, a kid's sleepover, or a casual gaming session. The build quality is light and portable, which makes it easy to move from room to room. It is a fun, budget-friendly alternative to a massive television. You are trading off some of that high-end brightness and pixel density for pure convenience. It is about making entertainment easy and accessible for everyone. This projector proves that you do not need a professional theater setup to have a great time with friends. It brings a big screen vibe to any space with minimal effort. It is a solid choice for anyone who values fun over technical perfection. You get the screen, the sound, and the apps all in one place. It is a clever solution for modern homes where space and simplicity are key. Just plug it in, find a flat surface, and let the show begin. It is refreshing to see a device that focuses on the social side of entertainment. You are getting exactly what you pay for, which is a versatile tool for making memories. Whether you are blasting music for a birthday or streaming a new series, it keeps things simple. It is not about having the highest specs in the world. It is about the ease of use and the laughter during a karaoke fail. This is a practical, all-encompassing system that knows exactly who it is for and what it needs to do. It reminds us that technology should be about bringing people together rather than just comparing numbers on a spreadsheet. You simply set it down, turn it on, and enjoy the moment without any technical stress.